Hello students, very good afternoon to all of you. Dear students, we are going to start first chapter of your second book, Footprints Without Feet. This is the first chapter of this book, second side book, A Triumph of Surgery. Here, surgery, the word surgery indicates to a hospital, not a operation. Means seizure, means uh, victory of hospital. First of all, students, you have to understand in this chapter that there are three chief characters in this story. The first character is a Tricky, which is a dog here. Second character, Tricky's mistress, जो ट्रिकी की मालकिन है, जिनका नाम है मिसेस पम्फ्री. And the third character is Mr. Harriet, who is a veterinary doctor here. You have to read the story about this dog Tricky, that how his rich mistress looked after him, and how he falls seriously ill, and how the doctor starts treatment for this dog. Does the dog recover? Everything we have to read in this chapter. Let's see. I was really worried about Tricky this time. The line starts. The narrator is Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet says that he is extremely worried to see the dog Tricky. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. Mr. Harriet says that he stopped for a little while when he observed about the critical condition of the dog Tricky when Tricky was uh, moving in the street with his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Seeing the condition of the dog, the doctor is extremely shocked here. He had become hugely fat, and the reason of the doctor's disturbing is the dog is looking very fat, hugely fat, like a bloated sausage, means फूले हुए एक डेड बॉडी की तरह, with a leg at each corner. जो उसके लेग थे, चारों कॉर्नर के लेग के ऊपर जो फ्लैश इकट्ठा हो गए थे, वो ब्लटेड सॉसेस की तरह दिखाई पड़ रहे थे. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy, and the dog's eyes was also looking very red and रूमी जो है एक प्रकार की एक डिजीज़ है, गठिया की बीमारी. इसमें इंसान अच्छे से चल फिर नहीं सकता है. तो the dog's eyes looking very red, and he walks as he is a patient of Rumi, stared straight ahead, and he saw fully straight before him as a very listless creature, and his tongue lolled from his jaws, and due to the listless condition of the dog, his tongue was also lolling from his jaws. उसके जबड़े से जीभ नीचे लटक रही थी. So this was the condition, very pitiable condition of the dog, and this was the physical appearance of the dog. This passage indicates that how critical condition of the dog when he is not looking uh, active, he is looking very listless, very lazy. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. As soon as when Mrs. Pumphrey saw the doctor, she started to explain about it. एंड शी वॉज सो लिस्टलेस कि ये बहुत ही उदासीन हो गया है, शांत हो गया है। मिस्टर हैरियट, he seemed to have no energy. It seemed that her dog has no energy. He is energyless. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. And he also thought about her dog, that her dog is suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition में कुपोषण होता है, जैसे लगता है उसके अंदर कुपोषणता की कमी आ गई हो। So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. So Mrs. Pumphrey says that she has observed that he is getting weak, so he has added something extra between meals to once again made him strong and active. उनको उसके बॉडी को देख कर उनको ये लगा कि ये चल फिर नहीं अच्छे से पा रहा है, सुस्त दिख रहा है, इसका मतलब ये कमज़ोर हो गया है। तो उन्होंने उसकी खुराक और बढ़ा दिया, और उसका खुराक जब और उन्होंने बढ़ा दिया तो और मोटा होता गया, जिसके नाते और वो अच्छे से चल नहीं पा रहा था। क्या उन्होंने बढ़ाया? सम माल्ट, कॉड लिवर ऑयल एंड अ बॉल ऑफ हॉर्लिक्स। ये काफ़ी सब ईटेबल आइटम है जो बॉडी को डेवलप करते हैं, बॉडी डेवलपिंग आइटम्स हैं, जैसे माल्ट, कॉड लिवर ऑयल, हॉर्लिक्स। ये सब जो है उसको रात को सोते समय देती थी। नथिंग मच रियली। और इसके बाद फिर बोल रहे हैं कि इससे अधिक और मैं कुछ नहीं बढ़ाई हूँ उसके एक्स्ट्रा मील में, बस यही सारी 2-3 चीज़ें मैं ऐड की हूँ, और ये सारी चीज़ें बॉडी को बहुत तेज़ी से डेवलप करते हैं। And did you cut down on the sweet thing, as I told you? Then the doctor asked that we had advised something her about the meals of this dog, तो have you cut it or not? कि जो भी उसको मैंने उसको मिठाई वगैरह कट करके कम देने के लिए बोला, ये सब आपने कम किया है कि नहीं? Oh, I did for a bit. तो बता रही हूँ मिसेस पम्फ्री दैट ओ आई डिड, मैंने किया था, फॉर अ बिट, थोड़ा सा मैंने कम किया था। बट ही सेम टू बी सो वीक, लेकिन जब मैंने कम किया तो मुझे लगा काफ़ी वीक होता जा रहा है, कमज़ोर होता जा रहा है। आई हैड टू रिलेंट, और इसलिए मुझे उसके ऊपर तरस आ गया। ही डज लव क्रीम केक्स एंड चॉकलेट्स। So Mr. Pumphrey here says that her dog Tricky loves cream cakes and chocolates. It is his favorite things. So I can't bear to refuse him. और उसको ये सारा फेवरेट चीज़ है, इसलिए मैं सारे स्वीट आइटम को उसको देने से मना नहीं कर सकती। I looked down again at the little dog. Mr. Harriet once again started to see the dog. That was the trouble, and it was the very difficult moment for him. Tricky's only fault was greed, and Tricky has a great fault. The great fault is that the dog is very, very greedy. He had never been known to refuse food. वो इतना लालची था कि वो कभी खाने को मना नहीं करता था, हमेशा खाने के ही चक्कर में पड़ा रहता था। He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. और दिन या रात किसी भी क्षण वो एक भरपूर भोजन कर सकता था। And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. So Mr. Harriet, the veterinary doctor, is extremely wondered here about all the things about the meals of the dog, as he is unknown from Mrs. Pumphrey, because Mrs. Pumphrey had not mentioned about his life routine, about all the things she was keeping hide something as about his diet. आर यू गिविंग हिम प्लेंटी ऑफ एक्सरसाइज? फिर डॉक्टर ने पूछा, इतना अधिक इसको आप खिला रही हैं, क्या इसको आप एक्सरसाइज वगैरह करा रही हैं? कुछ एक्सरसाइज भी दे रही हैं. Well, she has his little walks with me, as you can see. But Hodgkin the gardener had been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. तो मिसेस वम्फ्री बताती हैं कि यस, वो थोड़ा बहुत मेरे साथ वो वॉक करता है, जैसा आप देख सकते हैं कि समटाइम्स ही वॉक्स विद मी, बट दिस टाइम हर गार्डनर नेम्ड हॉडगिन इज नाउ not well, suffering from lumbago. Lumbago is a type of disease. So due to effect of the disease, the gardener is not coming there, and so the game ring throwing game uh, is not used by the gardener. So so this time he is not practicing well. So students, we can see here that how the dog's mistress informing about the dog's condition to the doctor, and she's also trying to hide many things, many reality about the dog. So that is not good for the doctors and also for the patients, which is tricky here. So uh, the extra feeding and extra love for the dog of this mistress Mrs. Pumphrey had made uh, a patient to the dog tricky.